Here is the way to save your money when you are landing in JFK International Airport, New York City. Landing in NYC, especially in JFK, can be very stressful and also expensive. For instance, you will have to spend around $35 to $50 to get a taxi or Uber to go to the city, and even more in the rush hours. So, instead of spending for $50 for taxi, now you can save or you can pay only $2.90 to go to the city by using the subway. Here's the two ways to get to the subway from JFK. First, you need to take the air trains that can bring you to the Jamaica train stations. The air train is easy to spot in JFK, and you just need to follow the sign. If you are not sure, you definitely can ask the security or the staff there. Then, when you arrive at Jamaica stations, you just need to follow the sign again that can bring you to the stations. You can pay the subway by using Apple Pay, Google Pay, or MetroCard is also available. Easy, right? Last but not least, instead of getting bored of traffic in New York City, by using the subway you will have fun experience by watching some performances in the subway. Trust me, it is so much fun. Well, that's it. Don't forget to save and share this video to your friends. New York City is waiting for you.